Let's talk about how you can really rise during climb. You already know our home office gives you so many amazing perks that can be earned during your first 8 weeks with the company, like $250 in free books, $100 in cash, and exclusive items. With the fabulous prizes, you may already be asking yourself, how do I make the most out of climb and my first 8 weeks with UBAM? It's a really simple answer. Promoting to team leader during your climb period. One of the biggest reasons the perks really pile on. By becoming a leader during climb, you will also score $400 more in free books, $200 more in cash, and an 8.5% raise. You can promote to team leader at any point in your business, but by doing so now, you will double your promotion rewards. Now, that is a whole lot of free books headed to your home library. Are you asking yourself why leadership? There are so many reasons to promote to team leader, and the STEP training will dive even deeper into that as well as how you promote. No matter what the reason was that you decided to become an Usborne Books and More consultant, leadership is going to amplify that. You will make more money, help spread literacy, invest in other people and help them reach their goals, find friendship and fun, and find so much personal growth. Are you thinking, being a leader sounds great, but I'm too new. I'm going to wait till I've been a consultant longer. Well, I'm here to tell you that is not true. Promoting now during climb is actually the best time to promote. Promotion is a no-brainer, but by doing it during climb, you get so much more and it's going to kickstart your business in a big way. Without a doubt, the best decision I've made for my business was deciding to promote to team leader right from the start. It might put my business on a trajectory forward in a way that I couldn't have as a consultant. During the promotion process, you're going to learn so much. You will without a doubt feel confident to lead your team by the end of it. And just like right now, you will continue to have support and training from your team leader as you lead. The doors truly open with this company once you promote to team leader, and we want you to be a part of it.